Okay, this question is probably the question that most people got right on the test, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long to review. But we're looking at which graphs have the lowest minimum value, so which graph goes lower. If we look at the graph of h of x, we want to find the lowest point. That is this point right here. And that looks like it goes between -4 and -6. We're going to call that -5. So it would be at the point 0, -5. Then if we look at the graph of j of x, that one is between -2 and -4, so we'll call that -3. That would be the point 0, -3. So if we have h of x that goes down to -5, and we have j of x that goes down to -3, which one is lower? So the only thing that we really need to think about is, let's say that we have j of x that goes down to -3. Where would that go if I put it on this graph? Well, if it starts at -3, if that's the lowest it gets, -3 right here, that's the lowest that j of x ever gets. Well then, if I were to put j of x onto this graph, it would look something like this. Right? It goes down to -3, but we can see that h of x goes lower, it goes down to -5. So h of x goes lower. The way I would word that answer on the test is I would say something along the lines of h of x has the lowest minimum value because it goes down to 0, -5, which is lower than the minimum of j of x, which is 0, -3. So because h of x goes all the way down to -5, that is lower than j of x, which only goes down to -3. And that is all for this one.